WWETT Show 2015 ITI booth. I'm here with Lenny. There's a new truck in this booth that's got an interesting add-on to it. Lenny, tell us what we got here.
We have on this truck here, we have a agitator that will go and suspend, keeps the solids suspended inside of the truck. It's hydraulically driven, and it enables you to keep your solids liquefied, so it enables you to pressure off instead of having to go and break the truck down and go and unload it with opening the door.
To put this in layman terms, if you're familiar with a crust buster inside the tank, the crust buster's mixing up that crust and keeping everything liquefied for the pump out. You're doing this inside of a tank so you can pressurize it to get it out of there faster, maybe a little more efficient than a typical truck?
It's approximately at least 40% more efficient. If you are going and sucking on the load and then breaking the truck down to go to dump it into a roll-off container or a vacuum box, all you got to do is stop the vacuuming on, throw it in the discharge, and pump it off. You know, it takes typically about, if this is a very heavy sandy mixture with a lot of mud in it, you're looking at probably about 20 minutes to offload the tank. So it saves a guy from, it's a safety factor of not having to climb up and release the turnbuckles. Sure. It is also a much faster, the working hours of the truck is doing the vacuuming, not breaking down and wasted time. Working
instead of unloading.
Yeah.
You know, last question I guess I would have is, you know, does this take away from my capacity, or what about weight? How do those things come into play?
It's less than 1,000 pounds with the add-on of the gear reduction motor and the actual assembly that houses it, and it's also, there's no bearings to go and get worn out of, because we have a composite material that won't affect with the material getting inside of it. Like I say, it's an extremely good product that we have, and we was excited to bring it here and debut it at the show for on the eastern coast, because this has been going off in the Western Canada for many years, but we're just now trying to develop and bring it into the industrial side of the market here in the States.
Great. Thanks for bringing it to the WWETT Show, WWETT Show 2015.